Yamono sana umurikito Steven Nyarikembunde asogo twariganiria oroboti rwa senchera yobwagari chinga kechyobo igo ekiombe yokorigereria mangana y'obokurumi kia Eacc NIGO litukoria lero yasagana enkana boigo CHIBESA cy'umugabana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo amonabo bisa bane be county kubatkana na kile bagatabuna NIGO bakurumete CHIBESA CHIMIRIONI CHIMISATO emeronge 53 na ibere cy'obwagachi w'ECCC cy'county ya Nyamira
ukwana nabarikia mangana se CHIBESA cy'ekyombekyo kya Eacc me yomuchi obosonga se county ya Kisii nigo bono mutendrwe kyombekyo Ignatius Wakesa atebire buna babere bagosangireria amasakara n'ebintu binde by'engenjo ebyo birachiye kogendera kubakonya hase ogokora obutuki bwabo Waigo nigo ababisabo bane abanene be serikali babekwa byara ekero Gosaganwa oko.
We want to state that today, as the Commission, we have effected more than five court warrants, search warrants, against the governor of Nyamira, Honorable Amos Nyaribo, and 4 other senior officers from the same county. This is in furtherance to the ongoing various investigations concerning that particular county of Nyamira, and I can say that it has been a successful day because we have been able to recover a lot of valuable and critical documents and investigations which are going to assist us to ensure that we fill all the gaps that we have that are existing in the current investigations. As you are aware, as Eacc, once we are through with the investigation, we will write a report to the Director of Public Prosecutions for purposes of seeking consent or concurrence with whatever recommendation that we will have put in that particular file. And therefore, for now, I can only say that we will continue and expedite the investigations that are ongoing. I know there are several. Some are at the tail end, others are at the advanced stages. And therefore, that is the status of the investigation and the statement from Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission at this particular regional office.